Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. This is Sam Prentice making this happen. I'm Sam Prentice back once again making it happen. And today we're looking at the Creality Ender 3 V2. Yeah, we've got a slight issue. I came merrily down the stairs, skipping in the joy of the day, which was snowing today, and I found that my printer was doing this. That's right, the black screen of death. So I popped onto the community forum and I found out exactly what I needed to do to repair this. So I'm going to now tell you how to do it. Here we go. So first things first, I'm going to open a program called SD Card Formatter. I am using a Apple Macintosh. So if you're not, I'm sure there's going to be an equivalent version of this. Probably Windows Formatter will do exactly the same job. And I'm going to do the quick format. And in order to do that, I know I'm going to have to put my password in. So I'll just quickly pop that in. And that will format just as easy as that. Okay, so next we're going to take a trundle over to the Creality website and hit support, firmware download. We're going to go to Ender series, Ender 3 V2. We're going to take a trundle down to here. Now then, the one I'm going to be using is this particular one here. And what I've done is I've already downloaded this. What it'll do is it'll put it into a zip file, and you've just got to unarchive that. And I have done that here. So when you unzip this particular file, it opens up these. Now the two files you're going to need is this dwin_set and also this .bin file. Copy them exactly as is, straight onto your SD card. Once they've copied, eject the SD card and pop it into your machine. Okay, so what we're going to do is take the SD card, walk it around to the front, pop him in. I'll just hit the other camera button. There we go. And all we should have to do now is switch it on and see if this comes back to life again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Winning. So the alternative firmware that I would suggest, that was also suggested to me, would be this particular one, and I'll put the links in the description below. And so basically all you need to do is select the firmware that you have, which will probably be this or this, depending on if you've installed a BL Touch or if you've played around with any of the other bits and pieces. But generally it's going to be one of these two things. Again, same kind of principles here. You've got a bin file, and all you're going to do is copy that file straight onto your SD card. In addition to that though, there are some other options, certainly with the screen. So I don't want to overcomplicate this video, but if you also want to hit the display firmware, all you need to do is take this dwin_set and basically copy that straight onto the SD card as well, and it will do both. So there you go. Hopefully that's helped some of you guys out. It certainly helped me out, and thank you very much to the community and the people on GitHub that have supported this. All the links are in the description, and hopefully this helps you in some way, shape or form. Don't forget, please hit that subscribe button and chuck us a little like if you're feeling generous. See you soon. Bye for now.